Okay, you can video now.
And then
First, this is acidic. Just you can hear something. Then it's open. You can hear something. No, the sound. And just open this like this. But when we down, close just like this. Don't touch. They will slowly touch. Okay. And when put in after the close, we don't need touch. Don't need open. This already open. Yeah. So we just acidic. Stop. And you were to sensing how your water. And later you will trip. Okay, it's higher, right? Okay, see. You can see we are the 13 and 17 kg. And he say if we were higher,
120 L.
higher is the
0.1.
2.1 bottom top. So we just inside the 2 first.
And 1/2. Oops.
And just the cover, don't clean.
Okay.
Because we don't want the water
Come.
inside it. If this time we only the anti water, I will tell you how to. Yeah. So everything is okay. Just the cover and don't touch. Just stay down. You can see 13 DVG. 13 is this. You can put in 13.